Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to install the new back relief pad. First, take off the normal stainless steel lock from the back skull. So this part, this one you can put in your spare bag. We're gonna install the new lock, which is a two-piece lock. It allows the back relief plate to slide like so. So in order to install it, put these two parts together, back where the previous lock sat. You just tension it a little bit. That allows you to slide this part as shown before inside here. And now you can adjust it up and down, find a good position, lock it down all together, and it will sit secure here. If you want to remove the back relief plate, you don't have to insert the old lock. Just slide this one out, tighten it, and it will be locked and secure.